In today's video, I'll show you how to use sections in Todoist to bring real structure to your projects. When a project only has a flat list of tasks, it can quickly feel cluttered and hard to scan. Sections fix that by letting you group related tasks under clear headings, so everything has its place. Let's open up a project to work with. Here we have our website redesign project with a handful of tasks in it. Right now, they're all just sitting in one big list. To start organizing them, we're going to add a section. Look for the Add Section option, which appears as you move between tasks in the project. Go ahead and click Add Section. A new section heading appears, ready for you to name it. You might create sections like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or anything that fits how you work, maybe by phase, by priority, or by the kind of work involved. Type a name for your section and confirm it, and just like that, you've got a labeled group inside your project. Once your sections exist, you can drag tasks into whichever one they belong to, and Todoist keeps them neatly grouped under each heading. You can collapse a section to hide its tasks when you want to focus, then expand it again later. This makes even a large, busy project feel calm and easy to navigate. Sections are especially powerful for projects with clear stages or categories. Instead of scrolling through one endless list, you get a clean, organized view where related work lives together. It's a small bit of setup that pays off every single time you open that project. Give sections a try in your own Todoist and watch your projects get instantly more organized. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.